Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on hotspot and connection and click on personal hotspot. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn on personal hotspot. After turn on personal hotspot, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.